In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your MyFitnessPal diary, a comprehensive guide to help you track your daily meals and water intake with ease. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available for both iOS and Android. Once the app is up, you'll see the login screen. Go ahead and click on Login. It's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type your email address and password in the provided fields. Make sure everything is spelled correctly to avoid any login errors. After entering your details, click on the Login button. With your information successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Once there, you'll notice various features, but our focus today is on setting up your diary. Locate and tap on Diary. This will take you to the page where you can add the food and beverages you consume throughout the day. You're in the right spot to start tracking. Now let's begin adding food. Find the Add Food button and click on it. You'll see a range of options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Choose which meal you want to add food to. Once you've selected a meal, you'll be presented with a database of foods. Scroll through or use the search bar to find what you need. When you see the food you want, click the plus sign next to it. This will add the item to your diary. It's a good habit to review the nutritional information that appears, ensuring it matches what you're eating. Water intake is also essential, and MyFitnessPal makes tracking your hydration simple. Look for the Add Water button and click on it. You can then adjust the water intake by selecting your desired volume from the options available. Click on the plus sign for the amount of water you've consumed, and it will be added to your diary. Staying hydrated is key, so make sure you're accounting for all the water you drink during the day. After you've added your meals and water for the session, navigate back by clicking the arrow in the upper left corner. This will take you to the main diary page. Your diary now reflects the foods and fluids you've logged and conveniently calculates your remaining calories for the day. This summary provides an overview of how many more calories you can consume while staying within your goals. By keeping accurate records, you'll have a clear picture of your nutritional habits. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up your MyFitnessPal diary. I hope you found this guide helpful for your journey toward better health and nutrition. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.